So this video is if you are a wig influencer only. Typically you used to do like 50-50% with these Amazon companies. Now I'm strictly full refund, or sometimes I'll negotiate like a 70% after the order number, and then the other 30% when the review goes live. If you're the type of influencer or Amazon reviewer who is looking to build their content, and you typically install these wigs, post for the companies for free, and they're still wanting to do like a 50-50, no. Companies out there, they negotiate. You need to stand on business, right? If you're not going to be doing the 50-50, or you're going to be doing the 70-30 type of percentage deal or whatever the case, stick to it, because there's a lot of companies out there wanting persons to review. You can send them your TikTok like, hey, I'm a legit Amazon influencer, these are my posts, these are a sketch of what I do, that sort of stuff, and you will grab their attention. They will agree to the full refund after the order number or when the order ships. So if you are an upcoming wig influencer, stick to your policy. Sometimes the wig might look nice and you might switch it up and be like, okay, then I'll do this one, like this once. Then it turns to a second time, a third time, a fourth time. Stick to your policy, right? Okay, that's all I had to say.